Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a powerful and dramatic word, cataclysmic. It may look complex at first, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is cataclysmic. Let's break it down. First, we have cat, which sounds like cat, just like the animal. Next is which is a soft and short vowel sound, like in about. Then comes clis, which rhymes with quiz and should be pronounced sharply. Finally, we have mic, which sounds like mick in gimmick. Now, let's put it all together. Cat-a-clis-mic. Try repeating after me, cataclysmic. Now, a little faster, cataclysmic. And at full speed, cataclysmic. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will roll off your tongue naturally. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Cataclysmic describes something extremely violent or destructive, often referring to natural disasters or major upheavals. For example, an asteroid impact or a massive earthquake could be called a cataclysmic event. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce cataclysmic and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.